Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable color correction shortcut on Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, go to visibility enhancement. In visibility enhancement, you can see the color correction. Okay, the color correction is off. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable the color correction shortcut. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the color correction. And okay guys, here below, you can see the color correction shortcut. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the color correction shortcut, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And the pop-up bar show, okay, tap the human icon button at the bottom of your screen. Okay, you can see on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, after that, tap the guided button. And that's it, okay. We have successfully enabled, okay. We can try it. So if you tap the human icon on the lower right side on your screen, okay, the correction or color correction on your Samsung Galaxy is enabled. And okay, so if you tap again, you can disable the color correction. Okay, so okay, go back and you can see the correction mode. There are three options: the red green or proto-anomaly, or blue-yellow, the trite-anomaly. So, okay, we can try it, the proto-anomaly. Okay, so if you tap the human icon, okay, the proto-anomaly is show. And you tap this, okay, you can disable. So, okay, we can try it, the trite-anomaly, the blue-yellow. So, okay, you can tap the human icon and you can see the color. And you can tap this, okay, to disable. And that's it, okay. So we have successfully enabled the color correction shortcut, okay. And okay guys, so there are another option here. Okay, you can tap the color correction and the pop-up bar show, okay. You can set the shortcut into press and hold volume up and down key for 3 seconds. Okay, if this enable, you can use this. So if this disable, you cannot use this option. And another one is the press side and volume up key. Okay, if this check or enable, you can use this key to enable the shortcut or to use the shortcut. So if this disable, okay, you cannot use this option. So okay guys, I decide to use this two option here to use the color correction shortcut. And that's it, okay. You can tap the save button to save the shortcut. And okay guys, that's it, okay. We have successfully enabled, and to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this color correction shortcut to disable. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled the color correction shortcut on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.